Hello, welcome to Bonnen Battery. Today, I would like to introduce our lithium battery system for heavy equipment. This is a 313.6-volt, 230 ampere-hour lithium battery system, providing a total energy capacity of 71.5 kilowatt-hours. It's specifically designed for heavy equipment and mining traction vehicles. But that's not all. If you connect to battery packs in parallel, you can achieve a total energy capacity of 143 kilowatt-hours. This battery system is powered by 230 ampere-hour lithium iron phosphate cells, and it consists of 7 modules arranged in a 1P1/S configuration. Now, let's look at some of the standout features of the battery system. There's a large display screen that provides real-time monitoring of the battery's status and performance. Equipped with a 3.5 ohm SD, and the battery also includes a one-way safety vent valve. The system features button switches for operation, an alarm system to alert you to any issues, and dual communication ports for integration with the vehicle system. The battery is housed in a metal enclosure that is specifically designed for durability. With an IP67 protection rating, this battery is dust-proof and waterproof, which means it can handle even the toughest working environments. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you power with Bonnen high-quality lithium battery systems.